We would like to invite Dr. Herdrajat Natawijaya, a PhD from Philippines Los Baños University. He has served for more than 35 years as a government employee at Ministry of Agriculture, Republic of Indonesia. Currently, he is an observer of National Replanting Program and Management of Farmers Coaching Compartment, Indonesian Palm Oil Association, GAPKI. He will be presenting such title related to ISPO. Dr. Herdrajat, you have about 7 minutes, please. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Datuk Rafi Mutaya, Honorable Dr. Musdalifah Mahmud, Dr. Yusuf Basiron, the Executive Director of SIPOPSI, all the speakers, and ladies and gentlemen. I have 7 minutes to present. My title presentation is Global Framework Principle for Sustainability Palm Oil and Indonesian Sustainable Palm Oil Certification. Through the implementation of the Indonesian Palm Oil Certification System or ISPO, ISPO support the implementation of the Global Framework of Principle for Sustainability Production Palm Oil that has been set by the SIPOPSI to cover 7 principles towards achieving the global goals. The historical development of ISPO certification, the sustainable of pine plantation have been obligated since the launch of the Indonesian Sustainable Oil Plantation in Medan in March 2011 to Agriculture Minister's Decree number 19 in year 2011. Then after 4 years implemented, ISPO was revised through Agriculture Minister's Decree number 11 in year 2015. For the second time again, after 5 years implemented, ISPO certification system has been revised through the Presidential Decree number 44 year 2020. Now ISPO system is become more improved and strengthened to be implemented. ISPO principle and criteria are based on the current regulation, obligatory for plantation company and smallholder within the next 5 years. Establishment of ISPO Steering Committee and ISPO Committee, adoption of transparency principle. Technically, implementation of ISPO certification has been stipulated through Agriculture Minister Decree number 38 year 2020, Supply Chain Traceability Adoption, Steering Committee chaired by Economic Affairs Coordinating Minister, Governor, Region, or Major act as advisor and supervision in implementation process of ISPO. ISPO certification from beginning to the end product. ISPO principle and aspect according President Decree number 44 year 2020, there are 4 aspects: legal aspect, economy aspect, social and cultural aspect, and environmental aspect. 7 principles. 1 is plantation business legality, implementation of good farming practice, management of the environment, natural resource and biodiversity, employment responsibility, social responsibility and community, economic empowerment, transparency, and the 7 continuous business improvement. Principle and criteria for plantation company. There are 7 principles with total number of criteria 38 and total indicator 173. Detail of its principle and number of criteria and indicator likes in this table. SDG goal matching ISPO principle and criteria. Almost all SDG goals can meet ISPO principle and criteria except goal number 9, namely industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Goal number 14, namely life below water, and goal number 17, namely partnership for the goal. Goal number 1 of SDGs, no poverty, matches with the 3 principles and 6 criteria of ISPO. Example here, principle number 1 of ISPO, namely compliance with law and regulation, and criteria 5.1, land legality, and 5.2, namely legality of plantation business. Goal number 4, equality of education with match with principle number 5, social responsibility and community economic empowerment, and criteria 5.1, namely social responsibility. Goal number 8, decent work and economic growth match with 4 principle and 8 criteria of ISPO. Example here, principle number 4 of ISPO, namely labor responsibility and criteria 4.2, fulfill administration requirement related to work relation, and criteria 4.2, employee cooperative. Goal number 15, namely life on lands, met with 3 principle and 4 criteria of ISPO. Principle number 3 of ISPO, namely management of the environment, natural resource, and biodiversity, and criteria 6, 7, namely protected areas and high conservation value. Since Ager vegetable of oil no standard, our experience implement global principle frameworks. Sustainability palm oil can be offered as standard for other vegetable oil. That's all. Thank you very much.